How to fix X app keep crashing. Is your X app crashing every time you open it? You are not alone, and the good news is, most of the time you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. Stay with me and I will walk you through every step right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are fixing one of the most common frustrations on your phone, the X app crashing or refusing to open. These steps work for both iPhone and Android. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. First, check if the problem is actually on X's end and not your phone. Open any other app like YouTube or WhatsApp. If those aren't working either, your internet connection is the issue. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around and see if that solves it immediately. Step 2. Force close the X app completely. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom and swipe the X app away. On Android, tap the Recent Apps button and swipe it off the screen, then reopen the app fresh. This clears any temporary glitch that was causing the crash. Step 3. If it's still crashing, restart your phone entirely. A full restart refreshes your device's memory and clears background conflicts that force apps to crash. This alone fixes the problem for a lot of people. Step 4. Now let's clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find X, tap Storage, and hit Clear Cache. On iPhone, you will need to offload the app. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find X, and tap Offload App. This removes the app but keeps your data, then reinstall it fresh from the App Store. Step 5. Check for updates. Open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for X. If there is an update available, install it right away. Outdated app versions are one of the biggest causes of crashing, and a simple update often fixes everything instantly. Step 6. If nothing has worked yet, uninstall X completely, restart your phone, then reinstall it fresh from your App Store. This is the most thorough reset you can do without losing your account. Your login and data are all stored on X's servers, not your phone. Pro tip: if your X app crashes only when opening certain links or notifications, this may be a known bug on X's side. You can check if X is having a widespread issue by visiting downdetector.com and searching for X. If thousands of people are reporting the same problem, all you can do is wait for X to push out a fix, which usually happens within a few hours. And that's it. You now have 6 solid steps to fix a crashing X app, from checking your connection, clearing cache, restarting your phone, updating the app, all the way to a clean reinstall. Try them in order and one of them will almost certainly solve your problem. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a fix like this. Drop a comment below telling me which step worked for you. I read every single one. See you in the next video.